guys, welcome to this week's cleaning video. Today we're going to be doing a lot of organizing, cleaning. I got a grocery haul in here, so got lots going on, and we're going to start here in the kitchen.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion.
If this is your first time visiting my channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Cassie. My husband and I are celebrating our 14-year anniversary in July, and we have two amazing daughters. Izzy's 12 and Haley is 5. We also have 2 cats and 1 dog, and we're actually getting a puppy on July 1st. She's a little husky puppy, so we're so excited about that.
Making me feel like I'm falling. And when you move.
But check this out, my husband drilled a hole in the cabinet, that way we could have our charging station up here. I cannot stand seeing cords and having electronics and cords out everywhere, so this is the perfect way to hide all that mess. I upload videos to hopefully inspire you to clean and organize your home. If you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe and add me on Instagram, and we'll stay connected.
Goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in.
And luckily the dishwasher was already emptied. It's one of my older daughter's chores to empty the dishwasher every day. I'm going to show you guys the most awesome marinade recipe ever. It's for bulgogi, and it's actually something we used to eat in Korea all the time. It's one of our absolute favorites, and it's so simple and easy to make. All you need is sugar, some sesame seeds, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, minced garlic, salt and pepper, and that's it. They didn't have any thin skirt steak at the store, so I just am using this beef stew meat, and I ended up having to cut it into smaller pieces. But all you do is mix all these ingredients in the bag, and then you just have to mush the meat around and get it all over each piece of meat. And I try to let it marinate for at least 12 hours, but today it wasn't going to be that long. But throughout the day I'll squish the meat around, and that way it's thoroughly on every single piece. So we just got our Walmart grocery delivery, and I'm going to show you quickly what all we got. I'm going to lay it all out and sanitize everything and show you what I got. Okay, here's what we got. Some of these sparkling waters. I love this kind, and it's only like $2.56 or something like that, so crazy good deal. Strawberries, because my daughter eats the heck out of these things. These are my guilty pleasure. Unfortunately, one of these days I'll be able to call it quits on energy drinks, but I love the zero sugar white monsters. They're my favorite. We got some whole milk, some, what is this, cranberry grape juice. These blackened chicken Alfredos. My husband and the girls like to eat these little ham and cheese trays, or meat trays, I should say. Some peanut butter, Cheez-Its, gluten-free taco seasoning, some corn, chicken nuggets. Haley's addicted to these things, but she doesn't eat macaroni anymore, so it's kind of weird. Yogurt, and I wanted to try this out. This looks so good. I love anything with peanuts, so I cannot wait to put this in my coffee tomorrow. We got some Go-Gurts, and these salads are thebomb.com. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. And then I don't even remember ordering this. Usually I get like romaine lettuce or mixed spring greens, so maybe that was a substitution item I didn't notice. These are John's English muffins and eggs. They were out of the cage-free eggs, so this was all we could get. But yeah, there's that. Now it's time to do some dusting. I love this piece of furniture, but you can see every little speck of dust on it.
You're calling up my phone like you did, but every morning when I wake up, you're not there. You're telling me you know what you need, but when I turn the lights off, it's all so clear.
Now let's do some vacuuming.
I can't get away, can't run away, I can't get away. You're bringing on the heartache. 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 You're making sure I don't get no sleep. I'm wide awake every night, can't escape. No other seemed to move you like you did.
Alright, and here's my daughter Haley's room. It was pretty messy, and usually I have her help me clean it up, but I figured, hey, why not? I'll do something nice and clean it up for her today.
Can't get away. You're bringing on the heartache. 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 You're bringing on the heartache.
There's one of our cats, Gary. Leave it down in the comments below if you guys have any pets at your home. I don't know what I would do without my fur babies. If you get on my Instagram stories, I have one highlighted section that's, I think, pet love or something like that, and I'm constantly taking videos of them, and I just don't know what I'd do without them. And now it is time to clean the cabinets in this bathroom. It was fairly clean, so I didn't need to clean the countertops or whatever, but I did want to tackle these bathroom cabinets. I think the last time I organized this space was 4 months ago, so it desperately needed it. I'm so bad about, if I'm in a rush, not putting things back in the proper spots. So I'm trying to work on that. But I'm going to go ahead and get started by taking everything out. I'm gonna give it a quick wipe down under here. That sucks that that's not all the way to the corner. Oh well. Yeah, and then I'm gonna start going through this stuff to see what I'm gonna keep, get rid of, and how I can put it back efficiently to where I'm not always struggling to get the stuff that's in the back and whatnot. So let's do this.
Saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone.
I hope everybody's doing okay with this whole COVID virus going around and stuff. I know I haven't worked in forever, and we were supposed to go back to work next Thursday and Friday, but our governor extended the stay-at-home order, so now we're going to be going back to work even later. Let me know in the comments below, are you already back to work or are you staying at home still? I'm curious to see what you guys are up to. Okay, so I am all done putting everything away and finding new homes for everything. So let me show you how it turned out. These hair supplies right here are things that I use most often out of this whole cabinet. So I have it right here in the front left, and then I have more hair supplies here. Back in the back there, I have extra makeup and like lotion and deodorant and that kind of stuff. Over here, I just have mouthwash and some more skin products. Back in the back here, I just have extra razor heads. I use the new Billy razors, so I don't think I'll be needing those in the near future, but I saved them in case my daughter needs them. And right here, I have all of Haley's bath toy play stuff, and then I have my spa night bath stuff in here with Epsom salt and face mask, that kind of stuff. Okay, over here I have Haley's bubble bath stuff, a heater. I like to have that on when I take a bath because I hate getting out and it being freezing cold. And back in the back there, you can't see, hold on. Back there I have a little container with all my candles and wireless speaker. Here I have our washcloths and hand towels, bath mats. Here I have our towels. And then over here I have feminine products, some flushable toilet paper wipe things, Drano, extra toilet paper here in this, and all of our cleaning supplies right here, and then extra bags for the trash can right here. And then in the very back there that I didn't even take out because it's just like extra things for the bathroom in case something goes wrong. And then a paint can of the paint that was used on the walls.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and
So I'm gonna finish this video up with some footage of my husband vacuuming the back living room. I think that his favorite thing to do is vacuum because I usually don't have to ask him. He just does it voluntarily, so that's always a plus. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos of mine, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
die.